Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 7. In that let's see exercise 10.4. So here it says divide. So this is the question given. So we have to divide this one by this expression. So here this will be, if we do this way, it's easy to simplify this divided by this one. So here it will be 4 ones are 4 12s are. So 12. Now let us see for x. Now you know the exponents, x raised to 3 divided by x raised to 2. So that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. That is going to be a raised to m minus n. So you are going to subtract this. That will be x raised to 3 minus 2. That is going to be x raised to 1. That will be just x. So you will write here x. Same for y. That will be y. And for z, that is going to be x raised to 3 divided z raised to 3 divided by z raised to 2. That is going to be z. So this is the answer. Again, we will see for this one, this divided by this one. So 27 ones are, 27 threes are. Now let us see, that is going to be minus 3. Now let us see for a, 4 minus 3, that is going to be just 1. So we can write just a. This will be 5 minus 2, that is just going to be 3, b raised to 3. And 7 minus 2, that is going to be c raised to 5. Now this divided by this one. So 24 ones are, 24 threes are. So this is going to be 3. Now let us see for this a. 3 minus 2, that is going to be just a. 3 minus 1, that is going to be 2. And 3 minus 2, that is going to be just 1. That will be just c. Now this divided by this one. So that will be 4 ones are, 4 sevens are. So this and this we can cancel out because that is both square. This is just going to be x and this is just going to be y. So that will be minus 7xy. Again for this one, so this is going to be 11 ones are, 11 fives are. So this is going to be a raised to 3 and this is going to be b raised to 3. Now look at this one. Now this is these are 3 terms here. And this you are going to divide by minus 6ab. So first thing we'll write like this. And now this minus 6ab is for this term, and this term. So we can do one of the method. We can do this one is, we'll take this first. Then this one. And then this one. Separately we will divide it. So 6 ones are, 6 fours are. So that is going to be minus 4. This will be 3 minus this, here there is nothing, means there should be 1. So 3 minus 1, that is going to be a square. Again here this should be 1. So 3 minus 1, that is going to be 2. Now here minus divided by minus means that is going minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus. So this will be plus. 6 ones are, 6 threes are. This should be, this is 1, so 2 minus 1, that is going to be just a. This is going to be just b. Now plus divided by minus, so that is going to be minus here. 6 ones are, 6 twos are. This AB and AB gets cancelled out. So that is going to be, yes, that will be plus divided by minus, that is going to be minus 2. Again here, this is with 3 terms. We will divide by this one. So this separately, and this separately. That is what is written here. 14 ones are, 14 threes are, 42. Here this will be, this gets cancelled out. So that is just going to be minus 3 because here is plus and this is minus, means plus divided by minus will be minus. So minus divided by minus is going to be plus. 14 ones are, 14 sixes are. So this is going to be a, this is going to be b. Minus divided by minus is going to be plus. 14 ones are, 14 fours are. So this is going to be a square and this is going to be b square. So this is the answer. Now this divided by this one. So this will be this way. 4 ones are, 4 fours are. So this will be plus divided by minus, that is going to be minus. So 4 This and this gets cancelled out. This is going to be x square. Minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So here will be x and here will be y. Minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus. 4 ones are 4 fives are. This and this gets cancelled out. So this will be 3 minus 1, that is going to be 2. That will be y square. Divide the following by the long division method. This we are going to divide it by y plus 9. So you can just do this way, y plus 9. So first what you are going to do, this is the first term, second term and the third term. This first term and this first term, y square divided by y. So that is going to be just y. So you will write here y. So now what will you do, this and this you are going to multiply, that will be y plus 9 into y. So this is going to be 9y, this plus sign as it is, and this into this, that is going to be y square plus 9y. So if you're getting confused, we can do that directly also, but you can do it this rough work to avoid the mistakes. So this is the step. 9y means below this, because this has y in it. So now actually this is plus. So what we have to do, we have to change the sign. So plus becomes here minus, again here plus becomes here minus here. So now this is plus. Now we have to look at the new sign. So what happens here, plus y square minus y square, this gets cancelled out. Now again here also we have to look at the new sign. We have taken the new sign as minus. So minus 9 and this is plus 5. So that is going to be minus 4 and that is y. So minus 4y. And this will take along with the sign, we'll take it down, minus 36. Now we are going to look at this one and this first term of this one. So minus 4y divided by y. So this and this gets cancelled. So remaining is minus 4. So we'll write a minus 4 here. So now what will you do? This minus 4, again we are going to multiply with this expression y plus 9 into minus 4. So this is going to be minus 36 and this is going to be minus 4y. So minus 4y minus 36, you will write this is here. So again this is minus, so we'll make it plus, minus, plus. So now the new sign, plus and here this is minus, so this gets cancelled out. Again here this is minus and this is the plus sign, this will get cancelled, this is going to be 0. So this is the answer. Again from here, this will be divided by x plus 6. So what will you do? You will look at the first term. So x into, so I'm not going to do again the rough work. Now you know how to do the rough work. X into x will be x square. So now this x you are going to multiply with this one. So that is going to be x square plus 6x. So you can multiply and see, you can do this way, multiply and see, what do you get? We get x square plus 6x. So this is plus, so this is minus, plus this is minus, so this gets cancelled out. So now what you can see here, plus 14 minus 6, that is going to be 8x. That is going to be plus 8x, we don't write plus. This along with the sign will bring it down. Now you are going to see this and this one, so 8x divided by x, so this and this gets cancelled, so that is going to be 8. So you will write here plus 8. Now again what will you do? You are going to multiply this and this, you get 8x plus 48. Plus here, so your minus, plus here, so you get minus, so here and this gets cancelled out. So answer is, the remainder is 0. So this is the answer. Again for this one you can just have a check here. So what will you do here? This divided by this is going to be just x here. Again this you will multiply together, you get this one. So this will be minus and minus becomes plus, so this gets cancelled out. So this will be plus 31 plus 4, that is going to be 35x minus 28. So here will be 35x and this is 5x. So this is going to be 7. So here will be 35x minus 28 and this will be minus and this is going to be plus. So this gets cancelled, this will be 0. Again for this one you can have a look at it. All the steps are done here. So you will check with this one. So the here you'll get x, multiply this one, you get this step, minus, minus, this gets cancelled out, minus means plus 10, here nothing means there is 1, minus 1, so that is going to be 9x, bring together here, compare now this and this one. So 9x divided by 3x, that is going to be just 3, that is plus 3 here. Multiply this one, so you get this step, and then you're going to change the sign. So the remainder is 0. Same here, you can have a look at this problem. This also is the same, but just be careful with the minus sign. And this step, don't forget to change the sign. So this is minus, so this becomes plus, this is plus, so this becomes minus. And then you're going to concentrate on the new sign, plus 15 minus 31. So minus 31 plus 16, that is going to be minus, plus 15, that is going to be minus 16. So this is the answer. Same here. The same type is here also. Here there is nothing, no problem here. Only in place of that there were 3 terms, and here are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just I'll show you here, a minus 4. So you'll compare this and this. 4a cube divided by a, that is going to be 4a square. Then when you multiply this and this, you get 4a cube minus 16a square. So this will be minus, and this is going to be plus. So minus 24 plus 16, so that is going to be minus 8. So minus 8a square plus 64. Let us not take this term down first. So now we will compare this and this. So what do you get here? Minus 8a square divided by a, that is going to be minus 8a. So when you multiply this and this one, so you get this step. Again here minus, here will be plus. This is plus, so here will be minus. This gets cancelled out. So minus 32 plus 64, that is going to be 32a. Now you will bring this down, minus 1. Now you will compare this and this one. So that is 32a, and that is a. So this and this gets cancelled. That will be plus, because this is plus. So this will be plus 32. When you multiply this and this one, so you get this step. So now here will be 0. Here divide the following. Again here the same. You have to divide this expression by this one. So you have to compare this and this one. So you get 3x square. Again you are going to multiply. You get this step. This is minus. This becomes plus. So this is going to be plus 6 plus 5. That will be 11x square. Bring this down. Now this and this one, 11x square divided by x. So that is going to be plus 11x. Multiply this and this one. So you get this step, minus plus. So this will be plus 14x minus 28. Again here will be 14x divided by x. So that is going to be plus 14. So when you multiply this one, so you get 14x minus 28. So here this plus, so here minus, minus becomes plus. So this gets cancelled. This will be 0. Again here the similar one. You can have a look at it. This is also the similar one. This is also the same. Again this is the same. Same here. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.